Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 outdoor RV. This is a trail series, a Mountain Tracks 22. It's a 4-season trailer, toy hauler, fun hauler, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to kind of break it down here. You've got a power hitch jack, fiberglass nose cap, 3 layers of protection here. You got the fiberglass, rhino layer, liner rather, and the diamond shield for rock chips. That's going to protect you. Big tray for the batteries because you do have solar on this thing. There's a big panel on the roof. Toy lock. They make their own frame, which allows them to insulate the tanks. They're enclosed. It's great for keeping brush from getting up there, varmints like mice, that kind of thing. Plus, it's going to insulate your tanks. Nice storage compartment here with the black diamond shield, battery disconnect, cargo light, aluminum fold steps, radio entry door, power awning with protector, outdoor speakers, 2-inch thick sidewalls. There it is, 2-inch bonded sidewalls. That's the model 22 TRX. We have Goodyear tires, not cheap Chinese tires. It also has suspension. It has shock absorbers, alloy wheels, fuel station, solar resistant graphics. The back side here is our ramp. You can see it's got a Thule awning on the back, all LED lights, of course. And on this side we've got our fold-away ladder, power connectors, black tank flush, an air compressor, of all things. When you got toys, you need stuff like that. Outside work light, spray port, or outside shower. Also, the generator, 4,000 watts, so you can use your air conditioning. Pretty much enable you to socially distance in style. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh, one thing I didn't point out, your fuel station, right here they have a fuel gauge and of course emergency on off, but that's kind of nice to know how much is in the tank there. These are a friction hinge door. They pretty much stay wherever you leave them, so you don't have to do the plastic fastener thing that always breaks. And here we are. You got a queen bed up front, dual wardrobes on both sides. There's our solar controller, overhead storage, a safe right beside the bed. There's also USB ports and plug-ins. Speaking of plug-ins, there's a spot here for plugging in a TV. There's a power exhaust fan up above, recessed LED lights. Like all toy haulers, they're pretty much a straight shot through, but this one has solid surface countertops, 3-burner stove, nice big oven, microwave over the top, built-in backsplash with knife holder, one big farmer sink, stainless steel sink. All your cabinets are Rototorque, so they're always a great fit every time. Just a ton of storage in these things. I'm right behind me here. You've got storage up above, storage above the above, Jensen TV with a Furrion AM/FM CD DVD player. We've got a safe here, a locking compartment that has room for fishing poles or rifles or skis, whatever you got, whatever your hobby is, we got room for it. Norcold refrigerator, freezer. These even have extra axles. Everything's an upgrade with the outdoor RV. You can see the bow to the roof up there. It's intentional, 5-inch thick, so you got that great insulation factor. Speakers up above are visible. Right here where you walk in, there's your generator start, tank monitors, lights, awning, all pretty basic right there in one spot. Bathroom, all in one. Got the shower stall, skylight up above, our sink with vanity, toilet, and another fantastic fan with a skylight. Let the light in here. The back configuration, we've got this power queen up above. Below, we've got these seats. Of course, you can move them around anywhere you want them. Something's rattling here. I don't know quite what it... Oh, it's these blinds. They slow roller type blinds, but they're just free hanging right now. This sofa folds up flush against the side. Down there, we've got some of the... I think that's some of the controls for, or the steps rather, for our party deck. Yes, it's got that too. This deck lays down and you can put the gate around it so the kids or no one falls off the thing when it's in the down position, and you have these screen doors here to keep the bugs out. So during the pandemic, everything seems to be costing too much, but this is on sale. And it's available for immediate delivery right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.